Hello students, welcome to my channel Science World, and if you find this video useful for you, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Also click on notification button so that you will get informed about my upcoming videos. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about the solar system. What is solar system? Okay, so our solar system is made up of uh, sun and 8 planets. We have sun in our solar system and 8 planets that are revolving around the sun. Also we have some celestial bodies in our universe, like comets, meteors and asteroids, and we have already discussed about them in our last video. Okay, so the 8 planets that are in our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, these are the 8 planets. Uh, Pluto is the ninth planet of the solar system, but it is not the part of solar system now. It is not recognized as a planet, so it is called dwarf planet. In 2006, Pluto was not considered as a planet, but it is considered as a dwarf planet. Okay, so Pluto is not the it is there only, but it is not considered as a planet. Okay, so these all the planets, these 8 planets, they are orbiting, they have orbits, and this orbit is the elliptical path. Elliptical path means it is not the circular path, it is elliptical path, means just like oval shape we can say. Okay, so this elliptical path, they these all the planets, they are revolving around the sun, and this path is known as the orbit. Okay, that means these planets are orbiting the sun in the in this elliptical path. Okay, so what is special about these planets? What are the specialities of these planets? So um, there are some rocky planets and some are planets that are made up of only gases. So first 4 planets, like from the sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, these planets are made up of rocks. They are rocky planets. Okay, they are made up of rocks. And next 4 planets, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, they are made up of gases, and that's why they are known as gaseous planets. So this is the special features of these planets. First 4 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, rocky planets, and then last 4 planets, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, they are gaseous planets. They are made up of gases and ice. Okay, then I will show you the picture of this solar system. Okay, now you can see solar system. This is the sun, this is Mercury, this is called the elliptical path, or we can say orbit. So each planet has its orbit and it is revolving in this orbit only around the sun. Okay, so this is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and this is Pluto. Okay, Pluto is not considered as a part of our solar system now. It is known as the what? Dwarf planet. Okay, now these numbers you can see here. I will show numbers are they given there. So this 58 means it is the distance in million kilometer, means the Mercury planet Mercury is 58 million kilometer away from the sun. The distance between sun and Mercury is 58 million kilometer. In the same way, Venus is 108 million kilometer away from the sun. Earth is 150 million kilometer away from the sun. Then Jupiter, the distance between the sun and the Jupiter is uh, 778 million kilometer. Then Saturn 1427 million kilometer. Uranus 2868 million kilometer, and Neptune 4496 million kilometers. Okay, so this is the distance from the sun of each planet. Now we know that these planets revolve around the sun in their orbits, but their revolution period is not the same. Revolution period means the time taken to complete one revolution around the sun. Okay, time taken to complete one revolution around the sun, that is known as revolution period. Okay, and this revolution period of these planets is not same because they have different distance from the sun, and their speed of revolving is also different. Okay, so this Mercury takes 88 days to revolve around the sun. Then Earth, we know Earth takes 365 days and 1/4 day, means 365 days and 6 hours to revolve around the sun. Then Venus takes 243 days, Mars takes 687 days, then Jupiter takes 12 years to complete one revolution. Saturn takes 29 years to complete one revolution, and Uranus takes 84 years to complete one revolution around the sun. Neptune takes 165 Earth years, that means our years. Okay, 165 years it completes its one revolution. Okay, then their rotation period is also not same. Rotation means revolving around themselves, like Earth completes its rotation in 24 hours, that we know. Okay, so in the same way all the planets, they are also having their rotation period, and it is also not the same, their speed of rotation is different. Okay, so Mercury rotates in 59 days, it takes 59 days to complete one rotation. Venus takes 243 days, Earth takes 24 hours, Mars takes more than 24 hours, then Jupiter takes 10 hours, then Saturn takes 10.7 hours, Uranus takes 17 hours to complete one rotation, and Neptune takes 16 hours to complete one rotation. Rotation means to revolve or to rotate around the axis. Okay, spinning of the planet around its own axis, that is known as the rotation. Okay, so this is all about the revolution and rotation of the planets. Okay, so then we have this direction of rotation. Direction of rotation means the in which direction these planets rotate. See, uh, Venus and Uranus, these two planets are rotating anti-clockwise, their direction is anti-clockwise, and other 6 planets are revolving clockwise direction. Okay, this is anti-clockwise and this is clockwise. Okay, so retrograde means the movement or the revolution of the planets in anti-clockwise direction, that is known as retrograde. And prograde means revolving in the direction of the clock, means clockwise direction. Okay, so this is the direction of these planets while rotating around themselves. Okay, then Earth. What is special about Earth? Earth is known as unique planet. It is also known as blue planet because when we see from the space, it looks blue because of its water. You know, that's why it is also known as unique planet because it only Earth has life. Only Earth supports life. Earth atmosphere supports life. That's why it is a unique planet. Okay. It is spherical in shape and slightly flattened at poles. On both the poles, North Pole and South Pole, it is flat. It is not exactly spherical. On the poles, it is slightly flattened. Then what are moons? Moons are natural satellites, or they are also celestial bodies, but they are revolving around the planet. Moons revolve around the planet. They do not revolve around the sun. They revolve around the planet. Okay. So planets have different number of moons. See, Mercury and Venus, they don't have moons. Okay, Earth has one moon, that is the moon, we call it moon, and its name is Luna. Okay, then Mars has two moons, that is Phobos and Deimos. Phobos and Deimos, these are the moons of Mars. Jupiter has 67 moons. Saturn has 62 moons, and the most famous moon is Titan. You may have heard this word, Titan. Okay, then Uranus 27 moons, Neptune 14 moons, and Pluto has 5 moons. Okay, so this is all about our solar system. In our next video we will read about the oceans and continents on the earth, and also the maps and globes. Okay, so we'll meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.